Maybe it's the fact that every time I fall, I lose. What you gotta make from my
Truly grateful to have all of you with us to celebrate the life of a wonderful woman whose love and kindness have touched us all. By the way, I am Kyla, one of Mama Nellie's grandchildren, and I'll be your host for today.
Thank you for everything sa tanan. Sa tanan gibuhat mo na. Oh, next, si Ben. Ben is the youngest. I'm the eldest son and the youngest.
Ikaw orang anak ni Mama, Denit. Ang mga soldier agad kay happy birthday ma. Enjoy your day. Have a blessed day. Thank you kayo sa tanan. Di kang pagkabata hantod karon. Thank you kayo nga sa tanan ma. Happy birthday. Next.
Thank you, Ma. I love you.
Hi everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for being here with us, celebrating with our very special mom in her 70th birthday. Walay nagang mastorya no, but naghang salamat. Makita na ko nga hinga. Akong mama is very well loved, not only within her immediate family, but especially to her friends, sa barangay, sa Bausi, mga relatives, Lola ulit, Nanay Glenn, Tio John, Tio Fredo, Tito Ned, salamat sa inyong pag-anhi kay amo siya gibuhat para lang ano niya. Thank you so much for everything.
You've been a big part of our life, especially kanang pagbuhat na po na mother. And then, we would like to say very happy birthday. And then,
Today is a very special day because we are honoring the woman who holds our family together. To us, she is more than a grandmother. She is our comfort, our guide, and our home.
We, her grandchildren, will now present the letters of Mama Nellie's name. Each letter represents her love, sacrifice, and the values she has lovingly passed on to us.
With every letter, we are reminded Mama Nellie's unconditional love, unending care, and guidance. As we present each letter, we share the qualities that make our grandma truly special.
Mama Nellie, these letters are our way of saying thank you. Thank you for your unconditional love, your patience, and your endless care. We love you always and forever. N is for nurturing, because Mama Nellie cares for us with all her might.
E for endless love. The love Mama Nellie gives without limits.
L, loving. L is for loving, always gentle, patient, and kind. L, life lessons. L is for life lessons, the wisdom Mama Nellie shares with us every day.
Y is for you. You are special, Mama Nellie, and you mean the world to us.
Love you, Mama Nellie.
sa Amahan, sa Anak, ug sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Lagi ko ng Amahan, salamat sa kanang grasya na imong gihatag kanamin. Nasayo kay Ginoo nga wala ni mahimo pangalan. Panagamini kini ang kanang mga pagkaon na among pagdawatan karon na alang sa uligan sa atong tawhan sa aming suon na sinanglibi.
Hingan nga nahinay na lang talang nilin kay inaramot. So sa hinahinay na nagsukot po kayo ko. Nga karon, salamat nini mo Lord na italaan ninyo sa taas na kinabuhi nga dunay kinaagman na makatabang sa usap-usap na binagda sa Pausites. Kaya naman kayong nagkinahanglan. Usa sa iyang birthday karon, hinaotong ka na imo siyang tagaan sa kusog, kalagsik sa lawas, o sa mga tao na puno sa paghigugma kaniya. Kinitanan amahan among ipangayo, pinagi ni Kristo na among Ginoo. Amen. Uban sa panabang sa mahal na Birhen Maria, o sa pagmamasang pagtuna, Santa Teresa de Ávila. Amen. Viva el Señor! Sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, o sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Much more than this, I give it Yes, there are times I show you when I've been more than I could see. But when there was doubt, I love much more than this, I will no regrets, I have a few, but then again, it's a situation. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without extension.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Nelly. We love you. Look at the candle. Wish, 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 wish. Good health. Yeah. More financial. Alam, may na kayo mayroon sila.
Lord, for giving me this opportunity. Namin mo ito po ipaabot ang panibara. And then, thank you for my children who have been so supportive for me. And then sa akong mga igsoon, all of them are here. Salamat kayo sa tanan ninyo. My Tia Juliet was here. Nakumita si Mama. Si Tia Juliet mo niya ako, si another. I live with Tia Anak when I was in high school and college. O, naglimot-limot nga. Naanak din sa nga, and then kasal ng doon sa ako, kay kasapan niya kong tiya, mga ito ko sa amo, ito ko motor, iya sa kong kapason, mag-tricycle na silang buhas na yung imon, iya ko kapason. traveling kay never spend much na mo travel pa kami. Ang kira sa balay, usahay, maana na yun. Maana sa pangita. Daniel, ganapan sa kung matuta sa inyo, ang utang ka mga. Ano lang ka simple. So, best yun na nga. Bisag lang, kung pila na mga tuig na kuan, wala magkita pirmi na nakakihapon na friendship. Never bound a friendship in your life. Ano mga amor, ano. Elementary